Hey everybody, Ryan Smith with Pro Auto Spot here. Today we're going to talk about clear rod. Recently I did a video that kind of talked about the Bikini Cut. So what I've got here is actually, this is a customer's car and we've installed a clear rod here. We did the Bikini Cut. So this line right here that curves and comes down here represents where the film already exists. It's already on there. I just kind of taped over the edge of it so it follows along. And if you kind of get this angle here, you can see how it has that curvature. Now the customer actually wants a 24-inch straight cut. And so what that means is that this line here is representing what we're gonna put on. And so we're gonna take off the Bikini Cut, put this on. So this area right here, you can see how it kind of creates more coverage here. That's what he's going for. Now, as you come over here to the side, you're gonna notice that the Bikini Cut and the straight cut intersect, and so he's gonna lose the coverage that's on there right now, which is this much right here. So depending on what a customer wants, we can accommodate you, whatever you may need. But 90% of the time, most people go with the Bikini Cut. And the reason that is not just because it's the coverage is more on the fenders and less on the hood, but it's because of the look. One thing we want to point out is that the curvature of the hood here is replicated by the curvature of the cut on a Bikini Cut. And a lot of people like that. Instead of just a straight cut where you're gonna see a straight line across a curved hood, you're gonna have the curvature that follows that. So regardless of what you may want, we can accommodate you. Like I said, we can put on here whatever kind of clear bra you want, the look. But just want to show the difference here in this particular video of what you can expect, whether we're the ones installing it or wherever you are in the world getting your clear bra put on. Know that there are options. You can get a Bikini Cut, you can get a straight cut, or you can cover the whole thing, it doesn't matter. But that's what you're gonna end up losing. You're gonna lose a little bit right here on the front most of the time, and you're gonna lose a little bit and gain a little bit here on the side with the Bikini Cut versus the straight cut. So hopefully that helps. You can kind of see the yellow lines kind of give you some direction as far as what you choose to do, but thanks for watching.